I wish I had a from a deeper force, some kind of meta angel. Then they could whisper all the answers, and maybe life would just slow down. I don't think that I'll make it on my own. I've got voices in my head telling me that I won't make it far. Mirrors singing in my face. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Throw it in the fire, ego in the fire. I've got love for desire, I've got pain for desire. But when I'm winning, I'm a fly, soprano in the choir. I've got love for desire, it gets higher and higher. That makes it sound so easy. A pretty picture with a quote. I get confused with what I really want.
Un ASMR bouquin, j'adore. Baby, le baby.